Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anastasia Podlesnaya, and today I will tell you why I'm the best candidate for the trip to New York City. First of all, like a member of intellectual community, I can't resist that opportunity to experience New York of Dovlatov, Limonov, and of course, Brodsky. To feel the spirit of freedom which had received so much attention of creative people. The city inspired lots of artists all over the world, and maybe I'll find the win there too. The second reason why I deserve the trip is my fascination with blues dances. New York is the city of cellars with blues bars in it, and it's my duty to spend all my nights dancing. The third thing is my ability to winning people over. During this course I found amazing pen friend from Mexico, Enrique. He records Spanish poems for me, and I tell him about features of Russian food. I think that live communication will help me to have a lot of English-speaking friends, so why I shouldn't just do it? I think the trip allows me to build the bridge between St. Petersburg and New York, and this bridge will be lasting. Thank you for this course and for watching. See you soon!